Okay, I'm going to quickly go over money math. That's just a simple, if you go to the grocery store, to like Walmart, Target, Publix, and you're buying groceries, and you're going to get to this checkout, what your total is going to be. A lot of people forget that if you buy several quantities, you're going to have to pay for each one as an individual. On the GED test, on the math test, you'll find a couple of these called retail questions. They're quite simple. You just be real careful that you don't forget to do the quantities. So I'm going to share. So this is what you're going to see when you get to the checkout. So we're going to talk about cost before taxes, total cost after taxes, and if there was a sale, how much you would save. So let's go to the next one. Retail problems are word problems that are asked the cost before taxes or after taxes, and you're given a list of items of various quantities. Step one, read the question. Always read the question. Step two, what is the question asking? Be very careful because sometimes they're asking you before taxes, after taxes, what if this, what if that. So make sure you understand the question. Step three, list each item and its quantity. Step four, add everything, including the multiple items. All right, so that's what we're going to do next. Okay, Lola goes to the art supply store and purchases the following supplies: 3 paintbrushes, $4.99 each, 1 canvas, $26.88, 1 drop cloth, $12.76, an assortment of 20 paints, 99 cents each. What is her total cost before taxes, after taxes? What's the total cost if she receives a 20% discount? So note the quantities. On the GED test, and I know you'll get tired of me saying this, but there's a highlighter on the top. Click the highlighter. Highlight the ones that have the more than one. We got 3 paintbrushes and 20 paints. Every time I teach this class, I always have students who forget to multiply by the quantities. Every time. So list all the items in quantity. They're going to give you a little whiteboard or a piece of paper or however to write your notes. Right, 3 paintbrushes, $4.99, and in the parentheses, put the quantity there. 1 canvas, $26.88, 1 drop cloth, $12.76, and 20 paints, which is 99 cents. But you're going to have 20 of those, so you know that you're going to have to do that 20 times. So you're going to do the math. 3 paintbrushes for $4.93 is going to be $14.97. 1 canvas is $26.88. 1 drop cloth is $12.76, and 20 paints is 99 cents times 20, which is $19.80. When you add everything, you end up with $74.41. Okay. Taxes. Multiply the percentage written in the decimal form. 1% is 0.02. 2% is 0.02, 5% is 0.4, and then you add it to the bottom total. Multiply the percentage written in the written form. 1% would be 0.7441, which is $75.15 and somewhat. 2% would be 1.4, which would give you $75 and somewhat. And 5% would give you 3.7, which would be total 78 something. Then add the total. Usually on this task, you have to either type it in, but you're not going to go, you're most likely just going to go to this. You're going to go 75.15 cents, 75.89 cents, 78.13.03. Now, depending on what it is, the total is, if you just want to find the sales price, all you have to do is multiply by 0.2 for 20%, and then you can subtract it, and that's how much you would save. So let's see. Let's say, let me do a new share. If you have $100, multiply that by 0.2, That's going to save you $20. So now you're going to pay $80. So our total was what, $74.41. This is before taxes. We're going to multiply that by 0.2. So 4.41 times 0.2. And so you're going to save $14.88. So let me clear that. Okay, so you're going to take whatever your total is. I want to just put the number, and you're going to multiply it by whatever sale percentage, if it's 20, 30. And what you do is you're just going to put a decimal in front of whatever percentage it is. If it's 5%, 10%, and just do the, if it's 5%, you're going to put the 0 there. If it's anything below 10, you're going to have something for the 10 spot. So you'll have 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. And then if it comes to 10, you'll have 10%, 0.20, 20% for 0.2, 30% for 3. And then you will subtract that from your total. So if you have, let's say you have, go to the sale and you spend, let's see, $75. And they're offering you a, usually what is it, about a 50% discount? So let's do that. If we get a 15% discount, so we're going to do decimal 15 times 75. So you're going to save $11 and 25 cents. So when you go to checkout, you're going to take out the $75 minus $11.25, and before taxes, you're going to pay $63.75. So just remember, whatever the markdown is, it's going to be point whatever. And same thing with the Texas. And usually Texas is not going to be over 10%. So most likely it's going to be 0.9, 0.8, 7, 6. So stop share. The main thing about the money ones are to make sure you get your numbers written down, make a list, pay attention to the percentages, and just keep up with it, because they may give you a really long list or may give you a short list. So be very careful if they say 10 of this or 20 of this or 5 of this or 2 of these, and then you're going to add them together. And that's going to be your total. And then if you have to do the taxes, you're going to say if it's that 5% tax, you're going to go 0.05. Or if they have a checkout, they're going to have a discount. So you're going to add everything together, and then you're going to multiply by the percentage of the discount. I hope this helps. I will see you later. Bye.